Oh, hey, UPS guy showed up today. Dropped off this box. LeoVince, ride, dominate, roar. That could only be the slip-ons I ordered for the Speed Triple. Want to get rid of this stock OEM suitcase exhaust and get a better look at the single-sided swing arm. That'll be cool. Maybe get some better sound. We'll see. I went with the slip-ons because, well, they're less expensive. They don't void the warranty, and you don't have to do an ECU flash, which adds another level of complexity. So we went the simple route. I don't know too much about LeoVince. They showed up in a bunch of Google search results. They're Italian, thus the name LeoVince, and the green, white, and red. So that's cool. Italians make cool stuff. I'm a little concerned, though. It says here on the back of the box that it's heavy metal free. And, I'm a big fan of heavy metal. I have been for a long time, so I'm a little concerned about that. Anywho, yeah. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, let's cut this puppy open here. I'm excited to see and feel what this looks like here. Unboxing the LeoVince slip-ons for Speed Triple. Okay. Dun da da, dun da da, dun da da dun da. Ooh, nice black. Nice looking weld there. That's good. It doesn't say LeoVince on it. That's interesting. It's just a black exhaust. Very cool. And there's two of these. Oh, this one says LeoVince. Okay, yeah. That makes more sense. Let's take this guy out. So it's going to go something like that. And then this guy will fit in somewhere around in here like so. We'll see. We'll see. Now, you can't do an exhaust project without doing a sound comparison. So let's back the bike out into the driveway and get some sound footage of the stock exhaust. All right, let's get her up on the lift and slip on the slip-ons. Get you in here, you can see that valve. Can you see it down in there? There, I think that's it. Yeah, there. Now you can see it. So when you go into sport mode, that opens up a little bit more, and when you go to full throttle, it opens up more and gives you more of a sound. But under lesser throttle and in regular road mode, it will, calm things down, quiet it down a little bit, keep your neighbors a little happier. I thought it'd be interesting to throw the old and new exhaust on a scale and see what we're dealing with here. So 7 pounds exactly on the old exhaust. Can you see that? 7 pounds exact. So let's see what the new exhaust is. 4.6. So there you go. 2.5 pounds. All right, all I have to do is tighten these guys up here, and the slip-ons have been slipped on. Top bracket. And I think that about does it. Feels good. Don't want to crank it down too much. All right, let's get this outside here and see what it sounds like. All right, there you go. The LeoVince LV-10 slip-ons for a speed triple, 1200. I took it for a little cruise around the neighborhood. My quick after install verdict is they aren't much louder. There's a little bit more of a growl, but not much, which is good. I didn't want something really obnoxious. They look fantastic. I'm happy with them. Didn't break the bank. Super easy to install. Tell me what you think. See you next time.